This is Jeremy from the Artifex Forge. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an Art Deco Modern design using our Art Deco Elements graphics toolkit in Affinity Designer. The pack will also work in Affinity Photo and Affinity Publisher. The designs you're seeing were all created using the pack, so be sure to follow the link below to learn more after watching the tutorial. This is the image I'm going to show you how to make. To start, set up a document that's 1000 by 1000 pixels. I'm using a colour swatch set from Artifex Forge's Art Deco Gradients and Colour Swatch pack, but you can use your own colours if you don't have it. You will need the Artifex Forge's Art Deco Elements pack. As you can see, this extensive Art Deco graphics toolkit features loads of classic Art Deco design elements, such as frames, sunbursts, fans, border sections, chevrons, and much more. So to start, copy frame 25 from the Elements document into your new document. Enlarge it slightly while holding the Shift key to keep the shape in proportion. Then, use the Align buttons to centre the shape in the document. Set the stroke to 1 point and make a copy of the shape. Select the Contour tool and drag inwards to create a slightly smaller version of the shape. You'll notice the corners are rounded by default, so set them to mitre by clicking this button. Then press the Bake Appearance button to make the changes permanent. Select both shapes, group them, and then name the group. Head back to the Elements document and copy the full Circle 2 group into your new document. Use the Align buttons to centre the shape. Then select all the curves in the group and set the stroke weight to 1 point. Go back to the Elements document and copy frame 26 into your new document. Use the Transform panel to scale the shape down slightly so it's a little smaller than full Circle 2. Set the stroke weight to 1 point and name the shape. Copy corner 6 from the Elements document and place it in your new document. Scale it while holding the Shift key and place it roughly in the corner. Then set the stroke weight to 1 point. Duplicate the corner group and move the copy to the opposite corner. Flip it horizontally and then use the Align buttons to align the tops of the two corner groups. Duplicate both corners and move them to the corresponding bottom positions and flip them vertically. Then use the Align buttons to align the shapes like this. Select all 4 corner groups and group them. Use the Align buttons to centre the group. Name the group and make a copy. Rename the copy, then use the Transform panel to rotate it 45 degrees. Head back to the Elements document again and copy the assorted 36 into your new document. On the Stroke panel, tick the Scale with Object checkbox and then scale the eye element. It can be helpful to have snapping enabled, as this helps position the object accurately in relation to the other objects on the page. Set the stroke weight to 1 point and then name the group. Duplicate the eye element group and then rename the bottom instance. Now it's time to add some colour. Select all shapes in the group, set the stroke colour to transparent, and then the fill colour using this swatch from our Art Deco Palette 1 colour swatch set. Copy and paste the bottom two shapes. Then recolour using this swatch. With both shapes selected, use the Subtract button to delete the top shape from the bottom. Select the lowest circle from the group and recolour using this swatch. Select the middle circle and recolour it like this. Open the top corners group and select all the curves in the top subgroup. Recolour the curves using this swatch. Repeat the process for the other corner subgroup curves. Select and recolour the inner clam group like this. Then select all of the spokes from the full circle 2 group and recolour using the same swatch. Select one of the outer border shapes, then access the Select, Select Same and Stroke Colour menu. This will select all the remaining black strokes. Recolour using this swatch. As a final step, create a vector square below your design and recolour it using this swatch. There's your finished Art Deco Modern design. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Be sure to check out our other tutorials and to follow our channel for more tips and tricks. And don't forget to follow the link below to check out the full Art Deco Elements and Swatches packs, plus loads of other innovative Affinity design and illustration toolkits. Thanks for watching.